Okay, so today I have this Craftsman 18-inch 40cc chainsaw. It's my buddy's, and 2 weeks ago we were up in the mountains and we cut some wood with it, and it'll idle sometimes. It will run, but not to its full potential. It just won't wind out and really go to its full potential. A lot of Craftsman saws have this problem. This is the tool to adjust the carburetor. It's a special splined tool. I will put a link in this video to Amazon where you can pick one up, or a set of the different ones up there. They're fairly cheap, $7 or $8. But I'll show you how it sounds prior to, and then I will adjust it, and I'll let you see me adjusting it also. It basically needs it's got the low speed jet right here and the high speed jet. It needs the high speed jet opened up a little more so it'll get a little more fuel. It's just struggling on the high end. So I'm going to get it running. It's cold right now. I'm going to get it running, let it warm up for a second, and then you'll get to hear what it sounds like prior to and after. Okay, so that's as high as this is going to go right now, just because it needs that adjusted. I'm going to set you up right here, and you can watch me adjust this. I'm going to adjust it while it's running. I know the chain's a little loose, that's okay. But I'm going to adjust this while it's running, and you'll be able to hear the difference. Okay, so that just took about 3/4 of a turn clockwise on the high-speed jet. With this, I'll see if you can focus on that. See what the inside of it looks like. But anyways, that won't focus very well. Anyways, you could hear the difference in it running high speed prior to and after. I hope this video helps you. I know it's short, hopefully short and sweet, like everybody likes on YouTube. Link to this will be in the description down below. Thank you for watching. If this video helps you, please subscribe to my channel. It's free and I appreciate it.